For this project, you will need 7 Icypole sticks, a spoon, and 4 rubber bands. Take 5 of the Icypole sticks and stack them like you see here. Next, we need to take our rubber band and put it on the end. We'll need to wrap it around multiple times to make sure that the Icypole sticks are secure. Do the same thing for the other end. Now take the plastic spoon and one of the remaining Icypole sticks. The plastic spoon on top of the Icypole stick, then wrap a rubber band around the pair. Make sure that they're tightly secured together. Push the rubber band up to the spoon end of the spoon. Now place the other Icypole stick on our contraption. Get the last rubber band and wrap it around the end. Make sure that it's really tight. Now we need to assemble our catapult. Take the spoon and Icypole stick and feed the bottom stick through the stacked Icypole sticks. It can be pretty tough to feed it through, so you might need a grown-up to help you. Now place your finger on the base of the catapult and other hand on the spoon. This will allow you to catapult things. Congratulations, you've now built a catapult.